Rheem water heater leaks have several common causes and occur at predictable locations. Understanding these patterns helps you identify problems before they become major issues. The first major cause is corrosion. Water heaters typically last 8 to 10 years, after which the steel tank begins to rust from the inside. You'll notice brownish, rusty water coming from your taps, which indicates internal tank corrosion. Sediment buildup is another major cause. Minerals from hard water settle at the bottom of the tank over time, creating a layer that damages the interior lining and leads to leaks at the tank bottom. High internal pressure is the third major cause. Excessive water temperature, or supply pressure, can trigger the temperature and pressure relief valve to leak as a safety mechanism. Now, let's identify the key leak locations. The top area includes the T&P valve and loose pipe connections. The bottom area typically shows leaks from the drain valve or sediment damage. Tank leaks are the most serious. When the tank itself develops leaks, especially from corrosion, it usually means the entire water heater needs replacement. Regular inspection of these areas for moisture or drips helps catch problems early. When you discover a water heater leak, your first priority is immediate action. Turn off the water supply to prevent further damage and flooding. For minor leaks, check all connections around your water heater. Use a wrench to tighten loose fittings. If tightening doesn't solve the problem, apply Teflon tape to the threads before reconnecting. If quick fixes don't work, you may need to replace faulty components. The temperature and pressure relief valve and drain valve are common culprits that can be replaced. Drain valves are another common leak point. These valves come in different materials like brass and plastic. Replace them if they're damaged or corroded. Prevention is key to avoiding future leaks. Flush your water heater tank annually to remove sediment buildup that can damage the interior and cause leaks. Inspect and replace your anode rod every 2 years. This sacrificial rod prevents tank corrosion. A depleted anode rod leaves your tank vulnerable to rust and leaks. Manage your water temperature carefully. Lower temperatures reduce pressure and prevent relief valve leaks, but keep the temperature above 60 degrees Celsius to prevent dangerous bacterial growth. When in doubt, consult a qualified plumber for diagnosis and repairs. Consider upgrading to smart water heaters with built-in leak detection systems for automatic protection and peace of mind.